Feel the rhythm of the short I sound as it weaves through the holy verses. Welcome back, dear learner. Let's build your confidence in reading the Quran. In the Arabic script, a tiny diagonal line below a letter tells us to pronounce a shorty sound. It looks like this. C. When that line appears, the letter carries the short E sound, as in the word sit. The line is called Kasra. Notice how it hangs just under the consonant. It does not change the letter, it simply adds a vowel. Sob is read as B, T as T, and Ki as Ki. You will see Kasra in many places. It is a quick, clever way to guide pronunciation. When you spot the line, pause, breathe, and say the letter with the I sound. That will bring the words alive. Let's look at a few verses. 1. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse 1, الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. The letter 1 in the word has a kasra, ni, so it is pronounced N. 2. In Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 2 and 6, فَقَدْ عَلِمْنَاكُمْ. Here B has a kasra, B, it reads B. 3. In Surah An-Nisa, verse 1, Al-Haqqu nabadna. The R has a kasra, He, it is high. 4. In Surah Al-An'am, verse 1, Al-Harthu la. The R has a kasra, Ri, it says Ri. 5. In Surah Al-Hud, verse 1, Afarahtum. The R has a kasra, Ri, it is pronounced Rai. These small lines guide your voice to the correct sound. Repeat after me gently. 1. Bispai as in birthday. 2. Titai as in tight. 3. Ki kai as in kid. 4. Ni as in night. 5. Ahi high as in hill. Feel the sound travel through each letter. Keep breathing calmly. Kasra is a small line below letters, giving them a shorter sound. Remember, B is by, T is tai, Ki is ki. Keep practicing and you'll hear the verses breathe. In the next lesson, we'll learn the third short vowel, damma, which adds the U sound. You've made great progress. Keep going.